The food and cooking style is an intangible cultural element. We can introduce Maluwa is an endemic food in Sabaragamuwa Province. Maluwa is a curry mix of 7 food items. Sometimes it is named as a Maluwa because of the taste by adding 7 food items. Maluwa is made only during the Sinhala and Tamil New Year period. It was the custom of many past people to serve Maluwa to New Year table at the auspicious time. Milk rice gives a much yummy taste with Maluwa. The top part of the uncooked Maluwa is used for the Buddha Puja. It is also customary to set aside for God. It seems that the past people considered the Maluwa as a suitable sacred food for offering to God and Buddha. 7 ingredients are used to prepare Maluwa. It's are cashew nuts, pumpkin leaves, sour banana, jackfruit, brinjal, beans and colliers. If not use 7 substances, nuts, leaves, pods, nuts, seeds, fibers and flowers. Pressed ingredients clean thoroughly and finely chopped. Then added coconut milk, condiments as need. Cooking in a clay pot also adds flavor and quality.